My name is Scott Morris. I'm an electrical engineering major at Florida Tech, and I'm a student employee at CAMID, where I have the privilege of working on all sorts of things, from a guitar that has no strings to the incredible experience of teaching students at the Kennedy Space Center how to program and build robots. It's an incredibly motivational experience because the people here, especially my bosses, Jared, Juan, and Marifer, they have been a constant support network for me. They, every day, they are always coming in with good attitudes. They make sure that I know that I'm capable of doing the things that I'm trying to do. So one day, Jared came to me and he was like, "Can you make some cool instruments out of like an Arduino for an electronic battle of the bands?" And I was like, "Probably, yeah." So the air guitar was born. So it uses this little sonar sensor, which sonar is basically what ships use or what bats use to find objects, and it figures out how far away your hand is. There's a little joystick here. You pluck the joystick and then it plays music on the computer. And it started off as a piece of cardboard with some lines drawn on it. And it got to the point where it was becoming so popular that we wanted it to be something that could be like a standalone. And so now there's dedicated circuitry in it. Actually, here's one of my circuit boards that I've designed, and this has all sorts of components on it which are developed in a way that they create a very specific waveform and output that on a little speaker. We were having an event one night, and I'm presenting the air guitar, and this couple approaches me, and their names are Jefferson and Carla, and they said, "We have an opportunity for you that you might be interested in." And I was like, They said that they were really impressed by all the things that we have accomplished here at CAMID, not just me, it's what all of us have accomplished. And they said that they wanted me to go up to the Kennedy Space Center with them and teach students from Brazil how to program and build robots. And I was like, are you serious? I mean, that was like a dream come true. I came down here so I could work in the space industry, so I could be around all that sort of stuff. And by the end of my freshman year, I got this amazing opportunity to go work at the Kennedy Space Center. It was like unbelievable. This is one of the great things about CAMID, is it gives us all these amazing opportunities, and it gave me the chance, or is giving me the chance, to see all of my dreams come to fruition, and that just makes me incredibly happy.